Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are tired of your Mac ringing every time you get a phone call on your iPhone, you are not alone. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable phone calls on your Mac permanently with two simple methods. Let's get started. Solution 1. Turn off calls from iPhone on Mac. Step 1. Open the FaceTime app on your Mac. Step 2. In the top left corner, click on FaceTime in the menu bar. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. In the General tab, look for the option that says Calls from iPhone. Step 5. Uncheck the box next to the Calls from iPhone. That's it. Your Mac will no longer receive phone calls linked from your iPhone. Solution 2. Turn off calls on Mac from iPhone. Step 1. On your iPhone, open the Settings app. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Phone. Step 3. Tap on Calls on other devices. Step 4. Turn off Allow calls on other devices completely to stop call forwarding to all of your Apple devices. And that's it for today's video. Now your Mac wouldn't ring anymore when you get a call on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.